Welcome to the Lamborghini factory. Today we will follow this bright orange Revolto from raw materials to road-ready supercar. Here we are cutting carbon fiber sheets into precise shapes that will later form the Revolto's ultralight monocoque. These CNC machines are sculpting suspension parts that will soon carry the car's weight at speed. Flat glass is being born here. Later we will bend and trim those shaped Lamborghini windows. This is the very first glimpse of our hero tub. Layer by layer, the Revolto's carbon heart is taking shape. Inside the autoclave, the monocoque is curing, locking in strength before it ever meets a chassis. Now we are checking the tub's dimension to microns, making sure every lateral part will bolt on perfectly. These robots are welding front subframes that will eventually cradle steering, suspension and brakes. Here we cut bunch cross members that will tie the front and rear of the chassis together. Front and rear subframes are being coated so they will resist corrosion for the car's whole life. At this stage, we have created a bare structural skeleton that engine and body will soon sit on. Body panels are getting a meticulous chemical bath so that our orange paint will stay flawless for years. This is where the Revolto earns its color. Robot lay down that unmistakable bright orange base coat. Now all the painted panels for our specific car are parked together waiting their turn on the body. Engine blocks are being bored here. One of these will soon roar behind the driver. We have reached the short block stage. The V12's rotating heart is assembled and ready for its top end. On the dyno, the complete engine and hybrid gearbox prove themselves before they ever see a chassis. Battery modules are dropped into their case here to form the Rivolto Central Hybrid Pack. This is the front E-axle for our car, the electric half of its all-wheel drive punch. Forging presses are shaping raw aluminum into future Rivolto wheels built to take serious forces. On this drum, we are building the high-performance tires that eventually meet the track. Tires are mounted and balanced now, creating the exact wheel set our hero car will roll on. These 4 wheels on track are reserved just for our car. They will only touch one Rivolto. The complete wiring harness you see here will soon be threaded through the tub like the car's nervous system. Seat foam blocks are molded now. In a few steps, they will turn into those aggressive bucket seats. Taillights are assembled here. Later they will give the razor-sharp rear light signature. All the glass for this car is on this rack: windscreen, side glass and engine cover ready for install. Now we are starting the meta journey. Our subframe sit on a skid waiting for powertrain and body. Here the battery finally lands between the axles. This is where the car's hybrid power truly lives. Body and chassis meet for the first time here, hovering a breath apart before the big marriage. Now the tub is bolted down onto the chassis. This is officially one Rivolto, not 2 halves. Steering linkages are being tied together now, so every turn of the wheel will feel laser direct. The naked, partially built car glides out of marriage into body panel land where it starts to look like a Lamborghini. At this point, the orange shell is on, but there is still no glass or on wheels. It's a complete structure. Plant fenders and seals are on here. We are finally starting to recognize that signature side profile. The rear arm shell drops into place now, hiding the V12 under those sharp orange lines. Paint protection film goes on here to keep the finish perfect through the remaining assembly steps.